Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I'm here to give you guys a product comparison between the Roby Gemini and the Teba TKS-19. Now, first thing I will point off right off the bat, it's not super visible in this video, but the Teba is a three-sided wood stove, so there's glass here on each side and the front for a panoramic view. This Teba model is also available in the TKS-15, which is also a panoramic model as well, with slightly different viewing features. But for what I have for today in stock is going to be the TKS-19. The TKS-19 is capable of burning coal as well as wood. In fact, it is a little bit more suited for coal burning than specifically wood burning. The TKS-15 model by the Teba is going to be more wood specific and doesn't burn coal at all. The Roby Gemini over here is going to be a wood only model. It's going to have a solid fire brick bottom. It does not offer an ash pan, but the Roby Gemini is going to be EPA certified. The Teba over here is not currently UL listed, so if you have homeowners insurance, please check with that to ensure that that will not cause any problems for you. Lots of insurance companies do accept it, but it's just very important to make sure that you check directly with your insurance company before making any purchases. The Gemini model is going to be outside air capable here on the rear, and the Teba does not offer any outside air. The Teba does have more damper controls and adjustability than what the Gemini offers. So the Gemini is going to be super easy with just two damper controls. You've got your damper control to control the firebox located on the bottom below the firebox. The top here is a damper control that'll release the heat out of the oven. Over here on the Teba, you have just your grate adjustability over here, so you can adjust the height of the grate as well as the tilt of the grate. And then you do have air, combustion air, and then you do have an automated setting on the back, which goes from 0 up to max, which is essentially 4 because it goes right past 3. And then you do have an adjustability for grate over here as well. So variety of options. Both models are going to be a top vent 6-inch flue. So as far as sizing goes, the Gemini is definitely going to be a overall larger unit as far as sizing. So depending on what your needs are in your home, what you're looking to achieve, these Tebas do get super hot in the ovens. I do have a lot of other videos on both of these models for cooking videos, baking videos, temperature readings, so you can see those variations as well. As far as why you would choose one over the other, if you are looking for a tighter air control and longer burn time, you're definitely going to get the longest burn time out of the Roby. They rate it for about 14 hours. With the Teba units, I'm able to get about a 7 to 8 hour burn time, so not as long, but you do have the beautiful panoramic glass, which is amazing for the viewing area. The oven gets nice and toasty hot, which is excellent if you're baking pizzas, artesian breads, things like that. So this is going to be your product comparison between the Teba, the TKS-19, which is made in Turkey, and the Roby Gemini, which is made in Quebec, Canada. If you guys enjoyed this overview and product comparison, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, please don't forget to just click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.